Hi Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second and final Sudoku, a heavy Sudoku for today. So let's get started. I see a lot of ones, I see a lot of sevens, so we will start with the one first. Alright, a 1 in the first column, a 1 in the third column. So in the second column, the only two places for a 1 is here and there. But I see here one, no one there, one should be here. 1 in the first, sorry, in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for a 1 is here and there, but I see here one, no one there, one should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So in the column between, the only three places for a 1 is here, here, or there. But I see here 1, no one there. I see here 1, no one there. Only place for the 1 is here. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Let's see if we can do this with the 7. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places with the 7 is here and there. But I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places for a 7 is here and there. But I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only three places for a 7 is here, here, or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. I see there 7. So no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for a 7 is here and there. But I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. And now, we have 3 missing numbers in the middle column. The missing numbers are 5, 6, and 8. I see here an 8. So no 8 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be this one. 5 and 6 are left for this column. We have a 5 there. So no 5 here. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Then 6, yes. And the 2, the 5, yeah. Yes, 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So in the column between, the only place for the 5 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then 8. No, I cannot continue with the 8. I need to wait. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. I see here 3. So no 3 in these two boxes, so the 3 could be here or could be there. So in the second row, we have a 3 in one of these two boxes. In the first row, we have a 3 over there. So in the third row, the only two places for the 3 should be here and there. But I see here a 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. Then in the third row, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 9, 6, and 2. I see here 9, so no 9 there. I see here 9, so no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be there. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. Remember that for later. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. Then 2 and 6, yes. Then 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places for 5 is here and there. But I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for 5 is here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so in the row between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so on the column next, the only 3 places for a 5 is here, here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. I see there 5, so no 5 there. Only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, so the 1 are used, the 7 are used, and the 5 are used. Then still in the 4. And yes, the 9 in this column, the 9 in that column. So in the column between, the only two places for the 9 should be here and there. But I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Yes. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between, the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be here. Then three. Yes, I need a 3. I need a 3. Yes, a 3 in the last column. 3 in the column next. So in this column, the only place for the 3 should be there. So in this big square, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 3, 4, and 8. 3, 4, and 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 in this box. So the 8 should be here and there. The same with the 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. The 3 should be here and there. We have a pair, 8 and 3, 8 and 3. That means one box is left for the 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. Here we have 2 missing numbers for this big square. For the numbers 3 and 2, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers 6 and 4, we have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the number 6 and 2, we have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 missing number in this column. For the number 4, 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers 6 and 2, we have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 missing number in this column. For the number 4, 1 missing number in this row. For the number 2, 1 missing number of this big square. For the number 6, then 2 missing numbers in the middle row. For the numbers 2 and 4, we have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for a 4 is here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. In the last row, we have 2 missing numbers in this last row. For the numbers 8 and 3, we have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 missing number of this big square. For the number 3, then 2 missing numbers in the second row. For the numbers 3 and 6, we have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there and the 6 goes there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 6 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Now we have a 6 there, because these 2 boxes are reserved for the 6 and the 8. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 8 goes there. 1 missing number in this row. For the number 8, then 2 missing numbers of this big square. For the numbers 3 and 9, we have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there and the 9 goes there. 1 missing number in the first column. For the number 2, 2 missing numbers of this big square. For the numbers 2 and 9, we have a 2 there, no 2 here. 2 should be there and the 9 goes there. And the final number of this big square for the number 9, finished in 14 minutes for a Sudoku Heavy. Wow, incredible. It should be a medium Sudoku. It was not so heavy, I thought. Anyway, if you like this Sudoku Heavy, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you like or if you want. Download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Rest me to say thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for the Saturday edition. Bye bye everybody.